Hey everyone, my name is Kudus, and welcome to a brand new series on Next.JS for beginners, powered by BdnatureTech. In this series, we will start from scratch and learn the different concepts in Next.JS. Specifically, we will focus on Next.JS version 14 or above. In this introductory video, I will briefly talk about what Next.JS is, why you might want to learn it, and the prerequisites to get started. What is Next.JS? Next.JS is a React framework for building web applications. When building applications with React alone, it's not feasible to create a fully featured application ready for production. React is a library for building user interfaces, responsible only for the view layer of an application. As a developer, you need to make decisions about other features such as routing, data fetching, and more. Next.JS, on the other hand, is a React framework that uses React for building user interfaces, but also provides additional features that enable you to build production-ready applications. These features include routing, optimized rendering, data fetching, bundling, compiling, and more. You don't need to install additional packages as Next.js provides everything you need. However, keep in mind that Next.js, being a framework, has opinions and conventions that should be followed to implement these features. There is no need to worry, though, as the conventions have emerged from a team with years of experience in writing React applications for production. To reiterate, Next.js is a React framework for building production-ready applications for the web. Why learn Next.js? The reason to learn Next.js stems from the fact that it simplifies the process of building a web application for production. Let me list some of the noteworthy features that Next.js provides out of the box. Routing. Next.js offers file-based routing, simplifying the task of creating routes and eliminating the need for third-party routing packages. API routes. Next.js allows you to create APIs, making it a truly full-stack framework. With Next.js, you can write both the front-end code in React and the APIs that can be called by the React app. Rendering. Next.js supports both server-side and client-side rendering, resulting in better performance and SEO when used correctly. Data fetching. Next.js offers simplified data fetching with async await support in React components. Styling. Next.js supports various styling methods, including CSS modules, Tailwind CSS, and CSS in JS. It also provides optimization out of the box for images, fonts, and scripts to improve your application's core web vitals and user experience. Optimized build system. Next.js provides a well-optimized development and production build system, allowing you to focus on coding rather than configuration. Throughout the series, we will learn these features in detail. Also, please note that I might refer to Next.js as just Next in the series, so please don't get confused. Prerequisites. To get started with Next.js, you need to have a solid understanding of HTML, CSS, and JavaScript fundamentals. We will be using ES6+ features, so make sure you're familiar with modern JavaScript concepts as well. Since Next.js is a React framework, it is essential to have a good understanding of React fundamentals. You don't need to be an expert, but concepts like function components, props, state, JSX, and hooks are required. If you're new to React, my objective is to guide you from a complete beginner to becoming an expert in Next.js. See you in the next session. Let's dive into it.